Hi everybody, thanks for joining Create with Dee. Today I wanted to share with you my tip on how to store your paper pumpkin stamps that you get. Over time, it's going to be a little bit impractical to keep storing the boxes. It'll be, what we call the red box pile up. And so after you make your kit and everything, I just wanted to share with you my newest way that I am going to start to store my, my paper pumpkin. So let's get started. So for example, this is August 2018's paper pumpkin kit. And what we want to save is the photo instructional sheet. And there's a cardboard that comes with your kit. All of this is shrink wrapped with the stamp and or maybe not the stamp, but all of the materials and everything. So save that cardboard backing that comes with it. And then of course your stamps. So first thing that I want to do is to put the stamp into a protective sleeve. This happens to be the clear envelopes that Stampin' Up! Sells. And on that I put August 2018. I just kind of like to have this, just in case this would go, I would borrow it or give it to somebody to borrow or whatever, that they have a little package that it goes into. And then also, this is a 6x9 cello bag that you can find anywhere that you can find cello bags. I buy mine on Amazon. You can get yours wherever you'd like. And what we're going to do is we're going to actually put the instructional photo sheet and the cardboard into that 6x9. And then separately, but also tucked into this, we're going to take our stamp set for that month and put it in there. And then it's all in a nice flat way that you can store it. So then if you'd like, you can, get your favorite shoebox and look at that. You could probably get, at least a month or at least a year's worth of paper pumpkins in there, if not more. Or if you have room, you could even store it vertically, and just start it that way. And in fact, that's probably how I'll do mine. That way I can quickly leaf through and see. Now here's some reasoning why I am going to store it this way. One, it's going to give me the month and the year there. That way if I want to go back and see what other people have done on it, Paper Pumpkin has a Pinterest, or just to do Google searches or other Pinterest search, I know that to search Paper Pumpkin Blissful Blooms August 2018. I have the name of it there. And then again, the reason why I double label it, because you might say, well, why would you need to put like a little, just the label on it? Because if you are like me, your stamping space can get a little messy, and maybe I have several of these out. And then when it's time to, put it back to the home, I know that I need to do that. If you wanted to, you could put the label right onto this and then, store that in there. I just know that I tend to loan mine out from time to time, and so I want to make sure that I have it all identified of what it is. So now I know that it's August 2018. So if this needs to go back to its home, I can just, store this by the month and the year, and then I know that this can go in the back. Another reason why I want to keep the instructional photo or the photo instructional sheet is so that I can get inspiration immediately on what the stamp set is all about. So, I know that it was a bunch of congratulatory ones, and it kind of gives me a creative starting point to go with. So I hope this gives you an idea of how you possibly might be able to store your paper pumpkins. And I did want to also let you know that at the time of the video that Halloween Stampin' Up! Stamp or paper pumpkin is coming soon. And so as long as you subscribe to Paper Pumpkin with me by September 10th, you'll get their Halloween paper pumpkin kit. And it's going to come in a really fun box and everything. And Stampin' Up! Always has fun treat holders for us for Halloween. So if you like Halloween like me, make sure not to miss out on the paper pumpkin that is needing to be subscribed by September 10th, 2018. Okay, well, thanks for watching, everybody, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.